Break your skin? It's a little alarming at first, but your body immediately gets to work. Your immune system rushes in, clotting blood, fighting off germs, and rebuilding tissue. It heals. Fracture a bone? It regrows. Your body is a master of repair. Skin, muscle, even bone can mend themselves, sometimes stronger than before. But your teeth? Once they're damaged, that's it. Done. No matter how much you wish otherwise, a broken tooth is a permanent reminder that not everything in your body can bounce back. Let's say you trip and scrape your knee. It's red and raw, but in a few days it patches itself up, good as new. Your skin cells divide, fill in the gap, and before you know it, you're left with barely a mark. Now imagine you chip your tooth. No amount of time, vitamins, or wishful thinking will bring that chunk back. You could wait years, and that missing piece will never return. It's like losing a piece of a puzzle that can't be replaced. Teeth are the only part of your body that can't heal themselves naturally. Why? It's because they're made of something that isn't alive. That's right. Your teeth are covered in a material that's more like a shield than living tissue. The outer shell of your teeth is called enamel, and it's the single hardest substance in your entire body. Seriously, it's harder than bone. Enamel is what lets you crunch popcorn, bite into apples, and chew through tough foods without a second thought. But here's the catch. That toughness comes at a price. Enamel is totally lifeless. It's a mineral fortress, made mostly of tightly packed crystals, not living cells. Zoom in close, like really close. You won't see any blood vessels, you won't find nerves, and there are 0 living cells in your enamel. Unlike your skin or bones, there's no way for your body to send in reinforcements to fix a crack or fill a hole. No cells means no healing. If you chip it or it starts to decay, your body can't patch it up. The damage is permanent, and the only way to fix it is from the outside. The only fix? You guessed it, a dentist. Fillings, crowns, and dental work are the only way to restore what's lost. Your body simply can't do it alone. Now here's where things get wild. Teeth evolved to be tough. Imagine early humans gnawing on raw roots, tearing meat, crunching bones. Our ancestors needed teeth that could withstand a lifetime of abuse, long before toothbrushes or dentists existed. In fact, teeth were so important for survival that evolution made them incredibly durable. They had to last through years of hard chewing, breaking open nuts, and even being used as tools. Evolution made our teeth strong so they could survive the rough stuff. But there was a trade-off. They gained durability, not repairability. Once enamel is gone, it's gone forever. Nature's way of saying, use with care. Fast forward to today. Modern diets are a tooth's worst nightmare. Sugar, acid, bacteria. They attack our enamel nonstop. Sodas, candy, even fruit juices can wear down that protective layer, leaving teeth vulnerable. Every time you eat or drink something sweet or acidic, you're feeding the bacteria that live in your mouth. They produce acids that eat away at enamel, little by little. And since enamel can't grow back, every little bit of damage is permanent. That's why cavities don't magically heal. Once a hole forms, it's there to stay, unless a dentist steps in. That's why a cracked tooth stays cracked. Even a tiny fracture can become a big problem over time, leading to pain, infection, or even tooth loss. So, what can you do? Protect the only set of adult teeth you'll ever have. Prevention is everything, because once damage is done, there's no going back. I'm talking toothbrush, floss, water. Treat them like sacred tools. Brushing twice a day, flossing, and rinsing with water after meals can make all the difference. And don't forget regular dental checkups. Dentists can spot problems early before they become disasters. Prevention is your best friend. You get one set and they won't heal themselves. They don't regenerate, they don't scar. Once enamel is gone, it's gone for good. That's why every little bit of care counts. Did that surprise you? Most people don't realize just how unique and vulnerable their teeth really are. Like, comment and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what's the one thing you do every day to protect your teeth? I really want to know. Stay curious and take care of those teeth. They're the only ones you'll ever get.